Another powerful feature of Social Studio is the built-in Design Editor. To get to this, just click in the left-hand menu on Design Editor. On the next page, you get to choose what image size you want. Now this is important because different networks have different criteria for the size you can have the image. We've made this super easy for you by telling you exactly what you need for each network. So for this demo, let's just choose the image one here. Click on it to view, and then you'll see some themes that we put into the software for you. You can use one of these, or you can click on New Image and make a brand new one. To show you the different functionality, let's edit one of these though. So let's click on Edit here. But it's worth noting you can download this as well and have the image file on your computer to use wherever you want. Let's click on Edit. This brings up the Design Editor. Now in this particular one, we got a background image and we got some text. Let's say we want to resize this text. We just select it, and then we can use the drag and drop here so that we can resize it. Once we selected it, we've got different options on the right hand side here to change different aspects. You've got the color here, which we can use and choose a color picker. We've got the actual text where we can change that and type something else. And then click Update Text. We can change the font size, the alignment, and then we can give it things such as italic, bold, underlined, and strike through. Click on the text again to make that disappear. We can also duplicate it and then use that to move around. And we can change the layer positioning. We can also delete it from here. Now over on the left hand side, we've got the themes again, where we can choose something different if we wanted to. And then we can add photos. With the photos, we provided lots of different things for you to choose from. And you can also use the search bar to find something relevant. So let's say something like computer. Now once you've found something you want to use, you just click and it adds it to the canvas. Then we can resize it and do whatever we want with it until it's in the right place for what we want. We can also add more text by using a heading, a subheading, or normal text. It'll add it onto the canvas and then we can edit it using the different functions on the right hand side. We've also got shapes we can add. We've got different shapes, we've got lines, we've got icons, and we've got frames. There's a lot of different things in here and I'm sure we'll get you covered whatever it is you need to use. Again, all you do is you just click and it adds it to the canvas. You can also add your own colours if you want to, if you've got something you need, say for branding purposes. With uploads, you can upload your own images to use. This is especially helpful if you need to add your own logo or your own branding. Now once you've done everything you want to, you can rename it here by clicking and then adding whatever you want. Let's call this test image. And then we can hit save. Now once that's saved, you can download it or you can preview it. So let's go to preview just to see what it looks like. This just shows us what it's like on its own page. Now we'll go back to the editor. Now we can download this if we want, and then we can use it wherever we want to, or we can hit use. And this is especially helpful because when we hit use, it will take it into our create post page. This means we don't even have to leave Social Studio to do anything. So now our image is here and it's going to be used in our different posts. So now we can just say things like test image. And you can see the preview here. We do the same for Twitter, LinkedIn, and remember YouTube only allows videos, so we would need a video for that. So let's switch that off for this one. Now once that's all been done and we've put all the different things in here, we can hit schedule or post now and it will use our newly made image inside those posts. Also, any designs that we do save will now be in My Designs down here. So we don't have to do it again, we can use them again and again without going through the editor. I'm sure you can see that the Design Editor is a powerful feature alongside all of the other parts of Social Studio.